Hello everyone and welcome back. For our fourth video, we're going to be doing data validation. So what we're going to do is we want to limit this to not be able to input any courses played before the year 2018. So any courses in say 2017, 2016, 2015 and before that. So let's jump right into it and let's go ahead and do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight B. So we're going to click on B. And then once again, we're going to go to our data input up here. And we're going to go into this thing called data validation. You're going to click on the arrow here. Click on data validation. And you'll see this little screen pop up. And it's going to allow you to do many different things, but the one we're going to focus on here is on numbers and not letting us put in anything before the year 2018. So we're going to click in here and I want to do whole numbers, so we're going to stick with whole numbers here as here's our whole numbers, and it's going to let us do between, but you can also do these whole host of different options. So we'll just stay on between. And then we're going to start with the year 2018. And then the maximum, I hope to live for a long time. So let's just put in kind of a long time away. We're going to put in here 2199. And then we're just going to click OK. All right, so it's inputted. And then we'll see here, I'm going to try to type in the year 2016. And then hit enter. And it says the value you've entered is not valid. So it's blocking me. And if this is in a shared spreadsheet group, it's going to block those people as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to just retry that again. All right, and let's try 2014 now. And once again, it's blocked me. So we'll just hit cancel. And when you hit cancel, it erases it for you. Put in the year 2133. And see, it allows me, I can even put in the year, let's do 2021, play a course next year. And it allows it. So this is kind of data validation in this form. And next we're going to move into it in another way. What we're going to be doing is we want to limit this to only be able to put in these 3 years, 2018, 2019, and 2020, because these are the only years that at this point are necessary. So what we're going to do is, once again, we're going to go to data. We're going to go to data validation, click on it. And we're going to again come back to this tab. Instead of doing a whole number, we're going to come into list. And what we want to do with list is we want to limit it to these 3 years. So right here, I've limited and created this list for us of these 3 years. So here we're going to focus on source. Our data at this point isn't important. So we're going to click this icon right here. And then what we want to do is we want to highlight these 3 columns because these are the 3 years that we would like. So we're going to highlight that. You're going to click enter. And then you're going to hit OK. And then as you see, we're going to type in another course. We're going to do Lake Largo. And then we're going to come over here. We have Lake Largo. And then as we see right here, we have this little drop down menu that we can click on that limits us to what years we have. So we played Lake Largo in 2019. Beautiful. So also played Tampa Run that year as well. Really restricts it. So once again, on a shared spreadsheet especially, you don't have these just different numbers that are way out of form that you don't really need. You just want this to be more focused. This is the great